My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, make una come out make una come hear update. See as petition they fly up and down like bottle on top of fence. Phew, 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 waiting they happen. Hey, hey, desperado. Ah, ah, many. They don't they hear am hot oh. Hey, first, Rosie, I first blow. E first blur because according to the information right now no be here o no, Olakunle Churchill, after posting what he posted with his full chest, e still come clarify the air standing on the fact say if they like make dem petition im destiny join am, im no go relent. Im don find love and im first daughter don also find love. They don come together to become one. Im no go choose any other person except this place wey im find love so. My people, Rosie file for divorce on Monday 20th of April 2026. Omo, Tonto Dike reaction go off una because immediately this petition start dey fly up and down. Na im Tonto Dike come o, come dey kabash, come talk am say she, if she catch herself say she no serve this God, na im be say something dey wrong with her. Omo, my sister, serve am with your full chest o, e get why. Una remember when Tonto Dike come this Obasanjo internet space, come dey shout say make una help me husband snatcher association of the world wan collect my husband oo, even though na 1 minute man oo, even though say na me package am, na me pay im groom price oo, abeg make una help me oo, dem wan collect am oo. Una remember wetin Rosie come use her mouth talk? She talk say make dem tell Tonto Dike make she enter house, say Tonto Dike na druggy, say she dey take druggy, im sense no balance. Wetin she need no be man, she need rehabilitation. Person wey say make person go rehabilitation now don dey bowo so. E never reach anywhere, e don dey run, im leg dey touch im yansh. According to the information right now, say na for this same Obasanjo media space wey me and you dey, where we dey go get our information from, say na there wey Rosie dey, wey she come dey hear say dem separate 10 years now. Tonto never return bride price to Olakunle Churchill, which automatically means that they are still married. My people, make una shout praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Say, omo, if God dey do am for you, you no go fit thank am finish o. Whether na to raise leg up or na to raise nyash up now, we no know. But una see that thing wey Tonto Dike talk, wey she say if she no serve this God, na im be say she no know wetin dey worry her. Omo, she no lie o. They say if God dey do am for you, anyhow wey you fit take serve am, even na to turn your head upside down, make your eye dey red like say you put pepper inside, na to do am o, because omo, God is really in existence. My people, una hear wetin Olakunle Churchill come out come talk, after which im come praise im children, say the both of them coming together, im see the bond without remembering the fact say they were far before, they no even reason am, say na the best thing that has ever happened to him is seeing his children happy, is seeing his children coming together to become one. As a father, he will choose them over and over again, this one, that one. People come dey like, wow, is it because of this petition na make this man dey talk this one? Because already when Rosie Mora come out come tell us say Olakunle Churchill daughter dey with her for how many years now, nobody don know for this internet space. Say people just dey run their mouth, say they can never stop loving each other. She go collect collect groundnut for Olakunle Churchill matter. Nobody wey go come in between them. This one, that one. She said thank you, said very much. Come talk say no be just common co-parenting. Now they come to co-parent. Say why people just dey act out of proportion, why people just dey do like say e get another thing wey dey attach. My people, to cut the long story short, na for this Obasanjo media space na Rosie Mora come dey see some kind chat, some kind messages here and there, where they dey tell her say no go find another husband o. dey there dey wait for Olakunle Churchill. Ó ti lọ far. Tonto Dike don collect her man. Make you dey there dey whine yourself. Na she say make she still no reason am, make she no carry the matter for head, make she just dey push am dey go say na co-parent dey come to co-parent. As she come see say dem finish birthday party, husband no gree come house, e go stay for Tonto Dike house. Oga come back house, e say lai o, e no dey come back house. Na she come dey imagine say come o, shebi na co-parent dis man tell me say im wan co-parent. Wetin dis man come dey do for there na? E no wan come back. Im daughter too no wan come back. Before you know, they say before the girl no be small cry, na dey say she cry because of say school wan resume. Na remember say Tonto Dike come out come tell us say school wan resume o, na im make dis girl wan go. But even though she dey cry, she say she no wan go, but she go see wetin she go do about am. Before you know, na im dem work on the girl school, transfer her from that place. They finally pack the girl, come give Tonto Dike. The girl was so happy to bond with her brother, to bond with Tonto Dike. She see the treatment wey they give her, e dey different from the one wey Rosie dey give her. Or you know say children, if you wan really capture children, show them love. Nothing you wan take hold children like showing them love. That moment wey you show those children love, otilo, e don finish, you don buy them be that. As she see love, she see at ten tion, she see, and not only say na only she come be the pikin wey dey there, she come see her brother, King Andre, everywhere come suburb, see enjoyment here and there. Nothing like restriction, nothing like treatment bad, say you no be my own, you be my own. They are treating her like the daughter of Tonto Dike. The girl too mount. Olakunle Churchill too, when he return, he come realize say omo, I been dey make mistake o, why I go stay for that place. They suffering and smiling. They anything wey wan happen, they go tell me say abeg no let internet laugh us, no let internet disgrace us, no let internet do this, no let internet do that. Abeg make him set free, make him rest. E come also, according to the Rosie now, she say na when she come dey check am say this guy no wan come back. Say information, as she come send one or two, make dem dey trace am, make dem check am. Person come give her information say omo, Tonto Dike don collect her thing o, they don dey lalo according to the information. Na Rosie dey very very disappointed. Una know when she go Daddy Freeze life, wey she go talk am say nothing dey happen, na co-parent. Na that time her eye first blur. She say Churchill, you do me this one, you dey do am before. I think say you go change. So finally you go to co-parent, come go build house again for inside the same place wey you been swear say you no go again. Say na co-parent, you wan go co-parent, abeg make she understand with you. She understand with you, say no wahala, you can go. You can't go there now, go remain there. You no wan comot for there again. Now Olakunle Churchill come dey disappointed. He felt pain that why would she be directing him? Why would she be telling him what to do? The Olakunle on the other end again come say him find out say Rosie Mora no really want make him reunite with his son. Say once upon a time, na Rosie Mora dey tell am say make him go reunite with his son. Make him no worry, a day will come when Tonto Dike will forgive him and he will see his son again, because he knows say no be small drama na happen between Olakunle Churchill and Tonto Dike on top of King Andre matter. She no even wan allow am see am, make King Andre no even know who him father be. Na until that day of him 10 years birthday, na that boy come know who him father really is. Nothing like say na she be papa, na she be mama, na she be everything for that boy life. He even come dey bear her father name Dike. He dey bear everything that has to do with Tonto. Nothing like Olakunle Churchill. Until that day wey that boy complete 10 years, wey he ask her for favour. He ask based on the love wey she get for am, and say God don call her. She agree, say no wahala, make dem do am. So him now, that time wey Tonto Dike, you know say she repent, talk say on a normal time, her anger no be here own. If she settle down vex for here today, if she wan scatter house, if she wan set the house ablaze, she go set am ablaze. She no dey even think am twice. So as God come call her, everything come destroy. The demonic forces, everything scatter for her side. So she come calm. As Olakunle Churchill come, she still use her mouth pray for am. Come use her mouth avert all the curses, all the swear wey she been don swear for am before. She use her mouth take collect her swear back, rub am for body, say it will be well with you, your business will flourish, anything that concerns you will concern your creator. She kneel down before the public, say na for public space na she been come out come insult am, come curse am. So na for this same public space na she go come pray for am. She kneel down pray for am finish. Na Olakunle Churchy say, omo, my wife is back o, I am not going to a second wife, I am not going to a place where I no dey free. Na dat man mount o, e no gree comot. And Olakunle Churchy come talk say Rosie Mora come dey tell am say even they want to co-parent, it's not by force that he must go to the birthday, he must do this, he must do that. Like, she was no longer happy. Immediately Tonto Dike called him for co-parenting. Immediately Tonto Dike pastor start dey call am say make dem come, which is Pastor Jerry Eze, start dey call am say make dem come, make dem co-parent. Say immediately her mood change, everything about her change. She was no longer comfortable, she was no longer happy, everything become moody, she was just angry. Na Olakunle Churchy say she is a wizard. Say e no go because of say him marry her, he go come leave his son, his second son for that matter, after 10 years wey he don pray, he don quarrel, he don fight, he don do so many things. God come call the woman wey born the pikin for am. The woman come say, oya make we co-parent. You say make I no go, oga I dey go. Now, to cut the long story short, Olakunle Churchy, after praising the coming together of the children and so on and so forth, as people don dey drag the matter dey go, dey drag the matter dey come, e come clarify the air to let everybody know, talk say no be say na him in ten tionally wan go back to Tonto, na Rosie na him start dey give am headache, na she come dey start dey do her wichi attitude. So come dey tell am what to do and what not to do concerning his son. So na she say she no dey comfortable, wey make her file for divorce, dey file petition up and down. So he no go choose anybody. According to his write-up, he say, as a father, if I am ever in a place where I have to pick between my kids or anyone/anything else, I am picking my kids. Period. Una don hear am? That is on period, meaning he is picking his kids and nothing else. If she wan go, make she dey go. If she wan stay, make she stay. His mind is made up. Na im children na im go pick over anything. He no go because of one woman come turn him back on his son wey he don pray over time. Nothing wey dem never do on top of that pikin head with Tonto Dike, but because Tonto Dike head strong that time, she say na me born am, na me carry am for 9 months, you no go see am. Na im make e stand. Omo, hey, if to say Rosie no, she for no start this journey. Now internet wey no dey forget don dey call her say, brother and sister, how far na, wetin dey sup? Una no do again, abeg una must do o, una must do. Rosie, you say you go collect groundnut for on top of this man matter, abeg come collect the groundnut o. Rosie, person wey dey take ekpemili, wey dey take druggy don collect your man. You wey no dey take druggy don collect am for your hand o. Rosie, you no go collect your man. Na so online in-law start dey drag her o. They dey call her here and there. Madam, go collect your husband, you must not go anywhere. Nothing like petition o. Go and collect your husband, possess your possession, as una say una no go leave person husband alone, na to dey jump from one married man or the other. Hey, you deserve what you got, what you ordered versus what you get. Omo, internet don scatter. See celebration here and there, happiness here and there. My people, e choke, I no go lie una. Tonto Dike, omo, na celebration season o. Olakunle Churchy, he say he no go choose anyone else. Rosie Mora don petition. Oya o, is about to get started. Make we dey wait, make we see wetin go be the outcome of this whole drama put together. But Olakunle Churchy don talk am say it is on period. Husband Snatchers Association, make una pack una bag, look for one place stay o. Say this generation wey we dey now, nobody dey relent o. Everybody dey collect the one wey concern am. If e concern you, na you know how you go take collect am. Go and collect, achieve am, no leave am for anybody. Make we see as e go be, guys. Make una watch as people celebrate more concerning this matter.
E don happen o, e don happen. Water don pass garri, oga don run away. E don happen. Hey! Okotoriba, I don't go buy Michael. Regella, finally, yes, so it have regied. Thank God I'm alive to witness this day. Yes, God. I said it may tarry, but a day shall come when it will come to fulfillment. Thank God I did alive. They witness Rose Moi Moi and Church Hill unfollow each other on Instagram. I did alive. They witness Rose Moi Moi filing for divorce. Oh my jingles. Oh my jingles. When I go here, I don't buy Michael. When I dey ready for me. I'm not going to hear all those small noise for background. No, this time around, we'll speak, you hear it. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh, God of mercy. This life. Make person not by himself. Everybody should just hold on. Make person not just by himself. It will only take a while. What do you think? That you have special echoes? What do you think? That you are more beautiful than who? What do you even think? Waiting they beat that drum where you dey dance. What do you think? Make una check on yourself as una take enter into another person's home with force. Go back to the drawing board and check yourselves. As many as you guys that entered into another person's home with force alacrity. Go back and check how far. You are not the first to. We can mention names of them, especially in Nollywood. We have plenty of them. We have plenty. Una get grandmother for this una system. Una get grandmother for this una journey. Una get grandmother. Una get great grandmother. Una get role models, people you follow. Go back and check if they are still in that marriage that they force themselves inside. You can never, because that is not how God wanted it. You just forced yourself into an existing ordained marriage blessed by God. The only time you are permitted to go into anybody's is when there is good arrangements. Let's say there was a divorce here. If the man is single or divorced his wife, you can go. Or maybe the wife was no longer there, she left. You have every right to remarry the man. But not when a woman is inside the marriage and she's still fighting you, telling you, leave my husband. You say, no, after all, he's like a brother to me. I'm not doing anything with him. So more time when I go begin to marry. So my online members, as of today, Lindy Ikeji don't talk am. Instablog don't talk am. All these big blogs, they have talked about this divorce, that this Rose Moi Moi don't go find divorce. Remember today, this man just did drop some kind talks like that if he was asked to choose between his children and anything, that he would choose his children. Maybe they don't the first time choose between me and those. How can you? And these are the children they claim. You know, if they come in, they claim like they love your kids. They know your kids. They don't love your kids. They love the man and his speckles. They don't love your kids. So you be a foolish man to feel like that woman that is coming love your kids more. Anything you see that person doing is pretending. They don't love your kids. No woman will want to see another woman's children grow past their own. All they'll be trying to do is to suppress your kid, to make sure that they are stagnant, to make sure that they didn't further their education, to make sure that they did not learn any handwork, to make sure that they are just useless. That's why you have to be very careful. Now, what brought about choosing kids? What brought about choosing kids in this game now? If not that, the man, maybe they don't give a condition. If you know you want me, either you choose me or your children. You know that kind of a thing. Oga said he will choose his children over anything on earth, over any woman. He will choose his children over any woman. You see how mean some women can be. This same woman was once in this life, named his own child after, as in the same name that Tonto named her son. She started calling her own child King. Started calling her own child. It was when online people revolted, were like, Mr. Church, are you in order? They won't use this one replace your own son, your first blood, your first fruits. Now that's time they can't take style, withdraw that king. She wanted to delete everything that has to do. Some women are mean. They want to delete every memory of you so that they will take and occupy. They want to occupy everywhere. Now, how markets, mpa? Madam, how now you the fine. You don't leave the sugar. I know that the time you started ranting on social media that you're up to something. When you came out boldly to tell the world, it's not like he's that handsome, but what? As I give on this preamble, they come. Everybody get ready. I don't buy mic. We go talk this matter out. We go talk about nobody should go nowhere. Chairman of Online Laws, I am here on this case. We're gonna give you guys updates. This one a preamble. Thank you.